Multifunction nail polish remover tool. This set included 10 PC's nail polish remover clips, 1 PC's cuticle nippers, 1 PC's cuticle peeler, 1 PC's dual-ended cuticle pusher, 1 PC's V-shaped cuticle trimmer knife, 1 PC's buffing strip 604/1000, 1 PC's buffing block 4 sides, 5 PC's nail file strip 100/180, 1 PC's buffer block. Double-sided nail buffer files. Nail sanding files are made with top-quality adhesive tape and emery board materials. For filing nail extensions, acrylic nails, false nail tips, natural nails, use the rough sides and smooth ones to polish and shine your nails. Nail polish remover clips. The nail polish soak-off clips can fix your fingers and cotton pads tightly to remove the nail polishes. UV gel, acrylic nail tips. Do not hurt the nail bed, save time and energy. These tools are washable and reusable. DIY at home, so convenient. Grind, wrap, clip, scratch, polish remover at home without a salon visit. Save your time, save your money. High-quality customer service, quick customer service, answer and solve all your concerns about the product within 24 hours. We make every effort to improve your shopping experience because your support means everything to us. Top reviews from the United States. Great nail tools, love this little kit. I use the clips to hold acetone-soaked cotton to remove dip nails and they work great. Files and metal tools are sturdy and work well too. I use the sanding block for smoothing nail surfaces and cleaning up excess polish. Great value and worth the purchase.